For sale by consignment at Classic Auto Mall is this 1956 Lincoln Premier two-door hardtop. It could be restored or driven as is, or driven as you're making the improvements. We'll let you hear it run before showing you all of the details. This 1956 Lincoln Premier in Starmist White is dripping with mid-1950s styling with big chrome bumpers, wraparound glass, rounded over fins, and a massive continental rear bumper. Shades of the Adam West Batmobile on the front headlights are taken from the previous year's styling of the Ford concept car called the Futura. It features large bumpers with stylized oval turn signals. The hood ornament is a large gold knight in wings swept back armor that sits on a chrome V that streaks back towards the windshield. Lincoln Premier badging appears on the front of the hood, fenders, and quarter panels. The rear bumper also features intricate design and taillights molded into the fins. A late 70s Thunderbird donated the 351 cubic inch M-Series V8 as well as the C4 3-speed automatic transmission. A 4-barrel Edelbrock carburetor sits on top of the engine. It has a smooth idle and acceleration, good braking, and corners well for such a large classic car. Bumpers show delamination and the paint shows chipping as well as body filler and areas covered with rattle can paint. But you can't find many of these great cars anymore, and if you're into mid-50s styling and a classic you can drive or restore, check out this 1956 Lincoln Premier two-door hardtop at Classic Auto Mall, where you can get all the details and nearly 100 pictures. If you're considering buying or selling a classic or collectible vehicle, check out Classic Auto Mall. We advertise, sell, and ship worldwide while making the process safe, easy, and secure. For more information on the consignment process or to easily search our inventory of more than 1,000 cars in our massive showroom, visit us at classicautomall.com.